How to add countdown timer in Shopify password page. Before we begin, if you want to get the best deal for Shopify, make sure you check out the pinned comment. Now we can begin. Load up Shopify, open up the search bar and search for countdown. And you want to get this one, Essential Countdown Timer. Click on the application itself and we just want to install it. Click on install and we just have to verify the installation. So again, we'll click on install here. Now this is going to get the app for us and we can create a new timer. It's very easy. Click on create a new timer and the type which you have to choose is landing page. So here blocking home collection password. This is the one we need. So click on select this timer type. Now you can set it up, for example, password page. You can change the title as well, grab it now. And you can choose and customize here to your liking, time labels, days, hours, minutes, seconds, and also you can customize it like I said. But what's very important here, the design, you can also choose a design, and the very important part is here placement. You want to choose password page. Once we have this selected, we will publish this. And then you will need to select a plan here in order to actually, add it to your password page, but you publish it. And then it's just going to ask you to enable the application and you will have successfully created a countdown timer for your Shopify password page. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.